We're doing it on Omega. This is a new format, episode 384, part 1. DRYTRON versus TRI-BRIDAGE. Yeah, I went first on this one. Went first. Tried doing some combos. Get ashed on the alpha effect. Still got the Ben 10 and Zeta. Finer. Send arc light. Add Ida 10. I wanted to get Natasha, maybe for a follow-up. Karibo, Verte, and Verte's effect. Hey, he was holding a Veiler. What could I do here? Probably went into... Nah, doesn't matter if I did. Went to a Boral Sword. You went right into a Shureg. Shureg banished the Karibo. Access code targeting Shureg, increasing its attack by 4,000. Shureg's effect is 4, so you could do a level 4. You could add a level 4. This right here. Put a graveyard got 1 piece. Level is less than or equal to number of beasts. Okay. Garrus, okay. Access code banish. Pop. It's already 63. Garrus, discard special. Garrus, banish 2 for double Dragon Lords, which is already game by then. Oh! Round 2. I was debating on just going Red Eyes Fusion or full combo, but I went full combo. He said he had no hand traps, and yeah. I dumped Delta there so I get another draw, but this would be the 5th summon. But he said he had no hand traps, so. Medium Stratron, Detach, Special, Ritual, Ben 10, Beatrice, Eva, the limited Eva. If only I did not draw the Red Eyes Fusion. What? Boral Sword. And he said his 6th draw was a Droll Lockbird, which he summoned, and then he just scooped it. Nice. And 3rd and final duel, I did not come out victorious. He went first and I didn't draw my side. No triple Lancia, double Ghost Bell, and like triple Forbidden Droplet. Nothing. That Appaloosa, really. I tried doing the best I can here. It just kept negating with Appo. Normal summon Herald of Orange Light. Oh. Okay, got the 4 there. The Shureg. He did not activate Shureg's effect. I killed the Appo right there. I set... What did I set there? Set a card and he Rugal, and then he Shureg to banish. That was a good wait actually. That was a pretty good play. Not using the Shureg to immediately banish. He waited maybe if I was going to pop or something, or if I was going to set. Oh my god, new format and I lose, god damn it. I just changed the 1 Eva. Took the 1 Eva, I think I put in a Heartpiece Feather Duster. Let's see if he has a deck. He does have a deck. YellowHeart, he has a Twitch. He wasn't twitching. Streaming. 384. Well, it's time to net deck. Shout out to YellowHeart1995 for sharing his deck there. Where do we go? Okay. I think I know how that works now. You go like this. Share, replay sharing, yeah. If you click that off, then yeah. I always have that on. I don't care. Where were we? 1535, 1521. Let's check his deck before the dual points. I know we didn't get any, but 384. Where are you? 384 right here. Let the net decking begin. So looks like he just oh fuck. Looks like I got a new deck coming up. I'm surprised that Crossout Designator is still, like, when does that card come out? This looks like a solid build. Alright. Triple. Ooh, what? Why is this guy here? Okay. Not bad, not bad. Dual points still at 197. I thought we were gonna get dual points. What happened to the dual points? Like extra dual points. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.